Hey guys, Neha from Izuto, and I'm here to give you your push notification marketing starter kit. Basically, we've put our best content that we've created over the last few years into one single kit that can help you get started with your push notification marketing. In this kit, you'll get an ultimate guide of push notifications, which will walk you through what push notifications look like, the browsers they support, and most importantly, how you can start using it from day one. Up next is a beautiful 10 steps guide that'll share what exactly you need to keep in mind before creating your push notification campaigns. You will get everything from how to write the perfect copy, to timing the notifications right, to building a strong brand recall. Now last but not the least, because the push notification landscape has changed over the last few years, Chrome has recently rolled out Chrome AT, which focuses on quieter notifications UI. This guide will share the benchmarks on the allow rate, block rate, and most importantly, how exactly can you make users subscribe to notifications without any hassle. So there you have it, 3 powerful and sleek guides. So just go ahead and download your kit now.